We're going to do some exploration of the capitol.hawaii.gov website. It's the website for the Hawaii State Legislature, and one of the most important links on this site is right here where it says Reports and Lists. Click on that link and it'll take you to another web page, and the first two links on that web page is House Bills Introduced and Senate Bills Introduced. Click on the House Bills Introduced. This will take you to a page that has a list of all the House bills that have been introduced so far this session. It's only been about a week since session started. And if you scroll down to the very bottom of this page, you'll see that there have been 999 bills introduced so far. And there will likely be more bills added to this list because the deadline for the bills is not for a couple of days. So more bills will be added to this. But as of this point in time, there are 999 bills that have been introduced. So if we go back and use our back arrow key and look at the Senate bills introduced, we do the same thing. We will scroll down to the bottom of this list and see how many bills have been introduced by one or more members of the state Senate. And as you can see, it's a longer list than what was in the House of Representatives. So in the state Senate, there are 1,151 bills that have been introduced. So if you add the House bills with the Senate bills, there's a total of 2,150 bills that have been introduced so far. Let's go and take a look at one of these bills. If you wanted to look at the language of the bill, all you do is you find the bill that you're interested in, you click on it, and it takes you to this page, which gives you a lot of different information. For one thing, it gives you the title of the bill. In this case, SB 8 is called Relating to Standards of Conduct. And the description of what's in this bill is right here. It says it reduces the minimum value of a gift that must be reported by a public employee from $200 to $100. It applies to gift disclosures filed for the period beginning June 1st, 2015. So if this bill is passed into law, it will go into effect pretty quickly because this session ends in May, and it says here in the description that the disclosures have to start on June 1st, 2015. So the law will take effect very quickly after it's passed into law. Now, if you wanted to look at the actual language of the bill, there's a PDF here. You can click on that, and it gives you information about this bill. And it's a fairly short bill. It's only 3 pages long, and actually the body of the bill is only about a page and a half. And what this bill is doing is it's amending a law that already exists. So there is a law on the books in the Hawaii Revised Statutes that says if a public employee receives a gift of $200 or more, it has to be disclosed and reported to the Ethics Commission. And what this bill is trying to do is to lower the amount that needs to be reported. So if someone gets a gift of $100, not $200, that gift will need to be disclosed and reported to the Ethics Commission. And if the legislators agree that this is a good idea, and it passes through the process of a bill becoming law and ends up on the governor's desk, and the governor signs it, as of June 1st of 2015, any public employee who receives a gift of $100 or more will need to report it because the law will have been amended at that point. So that's how you use this function of the website, and you can apply what we just did to many other bills that are either on the House side or the Senate side.